Do you want to learn how to prevent duplicate submissions on your forms? Then keep watching. Online forms are a crucial data collection component for many websites and businesses, but allowing users to make duplicate submissions can lead to inaccurate data and poor user experience. In this video, I will show you how you can prevent users from submitting forms more than once and tips for implementing this prevention effectively in Formula. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful content every day. So let's first build our form. Let's head over to our dashboard and use one of our ready-to-customize templates. Today, let's use this customer satisfaction survey. One way to prevent duplicate submissions is to use an email verification field. By enabling the required property on the email verification field, you can restrict your users to verify their email addresses before submitting the form. Now that we have added this field to our form and marked it as required, let's test it out. As you see here in the form, when the user enters their email address, they have to verify it by entering the code emailed to that address. This is an effective way to ensure data accuracy and maintain the integrity of your database. Now let's limit submissions with the acceptable answers feature. The entry of unacceptable values can be limited by adding acceptable answers to your email field. So let's create an email field in our form, then choose the acceptable answers option from the properties menu that appears. Here you can specify certain email addresses that are acceptable for submissions. For example, let's enter Lisa and Bart Simpson email addresses. Write each acceptable email address in a separate line. This would prevent entries from email addresses that do not meet the criteria. Doing so will ensure that not only intended users can submit the form while avoiding spam or unwanted entries. Great! Another way to prevent duplicate form submissions is limiting the user's IP. The IP limitation feature can help avert duplicate or excessive form submissions. So let's click on the Settings tab. And now enable the Limit One Entry per IP option. This feature allows you to restrict multiple form submissions of a single IP address. As a result, you can prevent spam submissions and ensure accurate form responses by setting one entry per IP limit. And finally, let's make the survey passcode protected. To set up a passcode protected form, let's add a text field to the beginning of our formula. And let's make sure this field is set as required so that only users with the code can view the rest of the form. Alright, now let's drag a section field and drop it right after the passcode field in our form saying welcome. Let's submit the form to show when the user enters the correct passcode. And drag another section field and drop it right after that saying the passcode is wrong to show when the user enters a wrong passcode. Next, go to the Logic tab and open the Advanced Logic. There on the passcode question, add a new condition like if the passcode is equal to code 123, jump to welcome, let's submit the form. Great! So far our users will see the right or wrong messages after entering the passcode. Then in the Otherwise section, add this logic. Otherwise, jump to the passcode is wrong. But we also need to jump to the correct next question after this step. In your logic page, on the welcome field, set the condition to always jump to email. It should go to the next valid field, so when the user enters the correct passcode, they can continue filling out the form, so if your next field's name is different, replace it here instead of email. Also, on the passcode is wrong field, set the condition to always jump to passcode. This way, when the user sees an error message for entering the wrong passcode, when they click continue, they will again see the passcode field, and they can try again to enter the correct passcode. Check out the description of this video to find a template for access-only forms. And that's it! You can sign up at Formula for free and start empowering your business to grow even faster. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy formulaing!